Alright guys, as discussed yesterday, we are back with the analysis of Nifty 50, the index, right? Uh, we thought we'll put up a video every day and see if a daily video makes sense or a weekly video makes more sense, but let's start today. The best thing about technical analysis is your analysis can be totally different from the previous day because this is purely arbitrary. It's purely based on what your eye is perceiving in that particular moment, especially with the trend lines. Uh, Generally, you may end up being same or a little bit of different, but any analysis will give you good results as far as as long as you're taking care of the basics. All right, let's start with Nifty 50, and as per our normal method, we'll start with the monthly chart. Monthly chart. All right. Just today, what I'll do is I'll draw the resistance lines on a monthly candles. Monthly candles or resistance lines make much more sense than smaller ones. This disturbing messages. All right, this and the two resistance lines. Three can be here. Okay, not it's okay. It's distance is very short, but that's okay. And the last one, this is another one we'll draw is here. Okay, these are the support and resistance levels. Will become much more clear when we proceed to the weekly chart. Okay, on a weekly chart, we did see this trend forming on this lines, but I believe as clear from yesterday's videos, it might not hold much of value right now. But this one does. Here is all the juice of the market. So this week the Nifty has shown a downward pattern. It was rising very well but now it's showing it's showing a bearish pattern right now. But it's a small break. I believe there will be more continuation. This will be a small break. And another interesting thing that I didn't notice yesterday was this the lower lows and higher highs. So the lower highs and lower lows were forming in this pattern, right? If but suddenly what has happened is this pattern has broken that pattern of lower highs and lower lows. Now suddenly the high of this point was as good as the high of the previous line of the previous trend. So the trend is broken, the downward trend is broken, it's progressing upwards very nicely. Now let's go to the daily chart. Sort of give me this last discussion gives me a confirmation that this Nifty is going up. Alright, I spot a couple of does here, but no use talking about them right now. This one, if we were to look at it that list on a daily chart, shows a small consolidation area. This is a small consolidation area, but I think there will be much more movement going forward. These lines that we have done, these support and resistance lines that we have drawn, yeah, these will form the forthcoming resistance and support levels in the future. But if you ask me, I believe it will stay above 18,186. It might retest and it will go up again, right? Let's look on a hourly chart. Definitely a consolidation going on right now. Today was particularly not a very encouraging day, but nothing. This just says that hold on, you have some patience. You'll soon have something substantial to work on, given the way macroeconomic picture is shaping up with inflation coming under control at some point. The US Fed showing less hawkish view. It has not actually transpired on the ground, but the commentary is such. All right, it's pretty visible in the 15-minute chart. It stayed well above this line, except for the last hour when when there is a lot of sell side activity from the FDIs in the evening. That's when it went down again. Right. All right. Done with Nifty 50. We'll hold on. I think a few sessions of showing consolidation, and then it should go up again. Let's go to Nifty Bank on a monthly chart. On a monthly chart, oh wow, it's been showing a very good progress. It's been showing a good progress, going up and up and up. All our, especially our PSU banks, are doing well, given that their NPAs are finally coming under control after years. So, Bank Nifty showed good progress here. This pattern, I think, we have missed it somewhere. If we had started this analysis earlier, might have been able to invest at the right opportune moment too. Seems like a retest has happened. What kind of retest is this? I don't see any. Well, it seems like a retest has happened and this is going up. It is at an all-time high. If this is to be believed, it's at an all-time high. Excellent. Let me go to a daily chart. Yeah, it's at an all-time high, but I'll draw a resistance line here to keep a check, and this resistance makes sense. See, the supply levels are very clear here at 41,801.99. So forming a reverse hammer. Let's see, we'll have to watch what happens here. I don't expect it coming down drastically. If it does, it will take a good support at this level and move back again. This basically speaks of the health of Indian economy. Nifty Bank. Alright, this is Nifty PSU. I'll go to a monthly chart. What a Dow. See this one? Yeah, good one. It's been showing a uptrend. I think the PSU banks are the major banks that are fueling this growth in the Nifty bank index. This guy has already overcome a lot of resistance. It'll continue to perform well, I guess. Let me draw this resistance line so that in future, whenever we refer to this chart, we have another ready reference to say where things are moving towards. All right. On a daily chart, again on a high. Today it was in the green. Wow. When everything else was in the red, Nifty PSU was in the green. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Alright, nothing much to draw here. Let's go to Nifty Private Banks, which was in red, just like all others. Again, lots of volatility given the number of gap ups and gap downs. Right, I don't think so any pattern is being formed right now, but I definitely see a trend line working from here to right. Alright, let's see. Nifty mid cap. This will be small analysis because really we don't do any trading in this one, in these segments. Almost same as Nifty, saying this is showing the same pattern, but there's a good amount of consolidation that is happening here. I'll just leave you with a line here. Okay, nothing much to be done. Nifty small cap 50. Alright, this was also in red today. Everything is in red today. Let's see, where does our ray go and land in this? Oh, it's well below this indicating line. So we'll wait for this for mid cap to catch up. Small cap. Oh, sorry, this was a small cap. Now going to the small cap 100. See, the way it does show growth at this point in time, just phenomenal, phenomenal. Wow. I'm gone right now, but alright. Not much to be done, but it looks like consolidation is happening here also. Now if we go to Nifty small cap 200, almost similar. There's a consolidation happening here. Alright guys, looks like the small cap market is in the consolidation phase. The mid cap market is showing signs of life, but those two downwards. The PSU bank spaces is on the high, carrying on its shoulders the Nifty bank also. And finally Nifty 50, where we saw some kind of consolidation and multiple support and resistance levels that can take the stock, take the index upwards. Given, let's watch it over for a few days and get back. Thank you very much, guys.